Hi, we're Jesse and Kelly, an Australian couple who has decided to take a long break from our jobs and travel around Southeast Asia on a motorbike. Our dream is to eventually travel around the world with a motorbike full-time. Throughout our journey, we hope to show you picturesque places and inspire you to step out of your comfort zone and explore the wonders of the world and connect with the locals along the way. Please subscribe to our channel, Two Wheels Across Borders, share our videos to help us achieve our dreams. Nam Xay Viewpoint, up in the mountain, 380 meters up. Jesse's still sore, so I'm just going to hike up by myself. Epic 360 degree view. Let's see. Here we go, 20,000 kip per person. I'm going up. Pretty steep hike, 480 meters. Going up is easier than going down later, I think. 120 meters, easy part. Down that way with stairs. Hardest part, the rest 370 meters to go. There's all that rock climbing. Almost there. Up that sign there is 200 meters. Got another 180 to go after that. 180 meters of that to go. Almost there. The view should be worth it. This is it. Gonna go up a little bit further there. There's a 360 view. There's Jason. Let's go. There's a couple other ones in there. The next day we headed back to Thailand via Vientiane, and this is our short break on the way. Here's beer stop by the lake.
Last beer now.
Beer Laos. Day 9, and we've had enough of the dust. Going back to Thailand tonight. Just stopping by a local market looking for food, and this is what we find. Coconut worms, frogs, all types of bugs. Crickets. Okay, that's Asia. Throughout our 9 days spent in Laos, this road conditions is all we see. All the houses along the sides of the road are just dust caked up onto their house, onto their roof, and for us, riding in these conditions for 7 days was enough for this time around. I'm sure the road conditions won't improve anytime soon, but perhaps next time we're in Laos, we'll go to the smaller villages where there's less traffic and dust. Thank you to all the people that we have met, all the smiles we have seen, and all the sabadis from all the kids in the villages. I'm sure we will be back in Laos at some stage of our travel.